What is up? Half-baked beard here, and I've got a mega unbagging from Mythical Beards. They reached out to quite a few people. Said they would be needing a little review. So I'll here's oils, wait, there's 4 accents and order choosing kind. Every I'm not sure if they got switch 4 oils, 4 balms, which and 4 solid cologne, I believe. We'll see. All right, so we're here. Pretty much just stuff. There we go. Cool. Awesome. So we do. So these guys are out of Florida. They're a new company. I know that for sure. Haven't really had much interaction with them. Dinked around on their website a little bit. And honestly, that is about it. I don't really know much about them. Don't really know much about their products. But I thought it was cool that they had matching. I know that there's another company that I know of that has solid colognes, but not any companies I know that have matching cologne, balm, everything. I do wish that they had butter, but what can you do? So, I guess we will start with their oil right here, and this is their Bigfoot. And I believe that that this is their, let's see if it says the scents on here. Cedar pine, cedar fir pine. It's got the directions. I don't know if you can see. Oh shit, maybe if I put it in front of the camera you could. There's a little Bigfoot dude. Might be able to see it easier than the balm. Yeah. Anyhow, okay. So we got the directions. Anyway, says test it. Blah blah blah. All natural ingredients: jojoba oil, arganol, castor oil, avocado. Essential oils for fragrance. Sweet. It's a pretty nice, simple 4-carrier blend there. Let's go ahead and take a little whiff. I really like it that they have the matching cologne. They got just kind of standard amber bottle, black dropper, nice big fat dropper, but let's see. Holy, it's having like a hard time sucking it up, dude. Oh shit. I mean, it's thick. Smells good. I mean, you can definitely smell the cedar. Let's put a little in hand. Blip, blip. You know what? It's not as thick as I thought it was. Maybe it's just the droppers. Must just be the little droppers. The droppers just have really small. They got the like kind of a little bulb on the end. Well, I have a funky looking little dropper. But anyhow, but the oil really isn't. I mean, it's thick, but I mean, yeah, it's pretty thick. I would say it's right about. Man, that's really good. It's the cedar though. It pretty much dominates it. Wow, it still smells good though. I like it. I like cedar. Awesome. Fuck yeah. Cool. Then they got the balm. Let's check out their balm. Nice white color. It's got a little bit of a creamy color to it. There's no ingredients for the balm. So I'll try and remember. I'll probably like right here, and I'll put what's in this balm. Let's go ahead and see how thick it is. It's pretty creamy. Doesn't really feel very. It's not gritty at all. I mean, it's got a little stick to it, but I mean, I'll see. I'm sure it's obviously got beeswax in it, but man, it smells good though. A little bit more like the fir comes through on the balm, but man, I like that a lot. Let's check out this solid cologne. And same thing, it doesn't really. I mean, I don't know what's really in solid cologne, so that's another thing I'll have to find out. That pretty color, kind of it looks kind of more orange on here, but it's a little more yellow. Let's see, it just kind of rubs right out. I guess you're supposed to rub it like that, you know. It's just oh man, just kind of a blend between them all. I like it. I like it. Sweet. Yeah. All right. What do we got next? Next we've got Dracula. So, the Dracula, let's check him out. He's like, fuck you, man. I'm gonna pause. I gotta go get some. Wipe my hands. I'm back. Alright, so we got the Dracula. Oh shit, this one's got a little shorty dropper on it. Hold on, same shit. DeLand, Florida. Oh, let's take a little sniff. See if it's got a different dropper. Oh yeah, that one sucks up way better. That's like a normal dropper. Ooh, that's good. That's real good. Lime and mint, I think it says. Lime and mint. That's good. Cool. Totally different scent. Totally. You guys already seen the other stuff. I'm not going to put none of that in hand. Next, we've got the Kraken. Pepper, clove, nutmeg, vanilla. Cool. The Kraken. So, check out that Kraken. Oh, wait. I was wrong. The Dracula isn't lime mint. I'm fucking retarded. So, I was smelling the wrong oil. That was the Chupacabra. The Chupacabra is the lime mint. So the Chupacabra is the lime mint. Now we'll do the Dracula. So Chupacabra, lime mint. Dracula is bergamot, oak moss, patchouli. And you got this dude, the fuck you guy. Alright, now I'm gonna smell this shit. Big fatty dropper again. And that's smooth. I like it. Put a little in hand. I want to see how that comes alive. So that's nice. It kind of smells like tea. Or like incense, sort of like. It's really subtle. It's not strong at all. Bergamot, oak moss, patchouli. Yeah, yeah. Cool. And then we got that lime mint, Chupacabra, and then we've got the Kraken, which is the pepper, clove, nutmeg, vanilla, the Kraken. All right. And the Kraken has a really nice label. I like the label on this. The other ones were kind of... where the fuck am I going, man? I keep doing that. Alright, the Kraken has a nice shiny label. These other guys, kind of a dull label. And, but I like that there's a window in the back so you can see. But this one is definitely, maybe it's a newer label, but I like this label a lot better. If you even care. Okay. We got the slow dropper again. Not a big fan of these, dude. Doesn't even like to suck it up, really. Ooh, I like that one. I think that's my favorite by far. Alright. I'm gonna put some of that in hand. See what it smells like. This has a little bit more of a cologne smell to it. But, let's get a little sniff. I'm trying to go over 10 minutes, but fuck, what can you do? What can you do? There's 4 fucking things. I'm more than happy to check them out. Alright. Wow, I like that. You can smell the clove, you can definitely smell the pepper. It almost smells like a cigar. Or like a, I don't know. Sort of if you walk into like a humidor room, sort of. Maybe that's what I'm getting. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. Cool. I can't fucking wait, dude. Cool, very cool concept. Yeah, I really like that. I like that Kraken. I think is my favorite so far. But yeah, only fucking time will tell. Awesome. Well, dude, I can't wait to test out these scents and definitely will let you guys know what I think. We got, it's a really good carrier blend. The concept's hella cool. With the solid clones, like I said, I'll throw the ingredients up for the oil and the balm, that solid cologne. I'm sure it's on the website, or I'll hit him up. I'll find out. I'll throw that in there. Also throw a link for him in the description. Awesome. Well, hey, thank you guys so much. Thank you for this gigantic bag, Mythical, and I can't wait to let you guys know what I think. Well, have a great day. Stay baked. Stay weird.